In this video, I'll show you how to see connected Wi-Fi passwords in mobile. Firstly, launch the Settings app on your Android device, then go to Network and Internet. This might be named slightly different depending on your phone. Tap on the Internet or Wi-Fi to see your connected networks. Now tap the name of the Wi-Fi network you are currently connected to. This opens more details about your connection. Tap the Share button and this will be asked you to verify your identity using fingerprint, face unlock or your device, password or PIN. After verification, you'll see a QR code on the screen. Above the QR code, your Wi-Fi password will be displayed in plain text. You can either manually type this password into another device to connect or use the QR code scanner on another phone to quickly connect without typing. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.